Welcome to the top best. The best felt Christmas tree is probably one of the most delightful and engaging holiday crafts you can undertake. This DIY felt Christmas tree set with lights is perfect for families, offering a wonderful opportunity to create lasting memories while adding a unique, personalized touch to your festive decorations. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring the holiday spirit to life with this charming and interactive project. Number 5. DIY felt Christmas tree and snowman advent calendar. This DIY set includes a felt Christmas tree and a snowman advent calendar. It's perfect for kids and adds a touch of holiday cheer to any space. Get ready to decorate and celebrate. The package comes with a DIY felt Christmas tree, 33 ornaments, a string light, and a snowman advent calendar. The ornaments include various festive shapes like stars, snow, and Santa Claus. Everything you need for a joyful Christmas. Both the Christmas tree and advent calendar are made of felt. The tree measures 37.5 by 27.5 inches, and the advent calendar is 14 by 9 inches. The string light is 5 meters long. They are durable and safe for kids. Simply stick the ornaments onto the fasteners on the tree. Hang the tree and the advent calendar on the wall. Then, wrap the string light around the tree. It's easy and fun for everyone. The felt tree may have wrinkles from packaging, but you can easily flatten it with an iron or hairdryer. The battery box for the string light may require either 2 AA or 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. Enjoy the holiday season with this lovely set. What we like. This set includes a snowman advent calendar, making it a complete package for Christmas fun. If you're looking for a way to build excitement for the holiday, this is perfect. It's easy to set up and use, so you can start the Christmas countdown right away. What people say. The tree is large and has lots of cute ornaments with Velcro. It comes with lights that you can add too. Easy to assemble, the string lights are just like any common string wire lights with a battery pack. They can be a pest, but the lights do really add an adorable twinkle to the holiday season. Number 4. GameXcel 4 feet felt Christmas tree for toddlers. This Christmas tree is designed with child safety in mind. It has a children's product certificate, ensuring it meets safety standards. You can rest assured that it's safe for your little ones. Made from thick and sturdy felt, this tree is built to last. The premium material ensures it can withstand repeated use and handling. It's a durable and high-quality decoration. The DIY aspect of this tree allows for hours of fun. Kids can repeatedly decorate and rearrange the ornaments. It's a great way to encourage creativity and play. The LED lights have a convenient timer function. They stay on for 6 hours and then automatically turn off for 18 hours. This cycle repeats, saving energy and effort. You can personalize the tree by winding the string lights on the ornaments. This allows you to create a unique and customized look. It's a fun way to add your own touch. What we like. This tree is made with child safety in mind, with a certificate to prove it. If you have young children, this is a great choice. The thick and sturdy felt ensures it will last for years, providing hours of fun. What people say. This fit the need and provides sensory feedback with touch of the felt and sound with the Velcro ornaments. The tree provided hours of activity for my 2-year-old granddaughter. She hung the tree in her bedroom and was able to redecorate it many times. My 6-year-old granddaughter loved putting the felt decorations on. It seems well made and sturdy for felt. Number 3. Felt Christmas tree for toddlers with lights and ornaments. This felt Christmas tree is made of sturdy, thick, and soft material, ensuring safety for kids. The enhanced Velcros provide strong adhesion, preventing the tree from falling. It's a durable tree designed for years of use. This Christmas felt tree kit features snowflake lights with 2 modes, instant on and flickering. The lights add a festive atmosphere to your Christmas celebration. It requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included. The set includes plenty of ornaments like Santa Claus, Christmas hats, and snowmen. You can arrange the ornaments to create your own unique felt tree. Additionally, it comes with 85 snowflake window stickers for extra decoration. Kids will be thrilled to receive this Christmas felt tree. They can decorate it with their own imagination, fostering a sense of accomplishment. DIYing this tree also helps develop their hands-on skills. This felt Christmas tree can be decorated anywhere you like, both indoors and outdoors. It's ideal for decorating home walls, doors, rooms, parties, malls, and windows. The possibilities are endless with this versatile set. What we like. This tree features enhanced velcros and snowflake lights, creating a festive atmosphere. If you like a tree with a unique and eye-catching design, this is the one. The snowflake lights add a special touch to your Christmas celebration. What people say. The velcro works well and the lights work just fine. The size for a toddler is perfect. The felt seems sturdy but not too heavy. The many cutouts to stick on will give him a lot of fun. Works great as we had to try it. Light string works great and is super cute. I chose this one out of the many options online because it comes with snowflake-shaped colored string lights, battery-operated, that can be strung on the tree or hung anywhere. It also came with 2 sheets of snowflake-shaped window clings, extra Velcro dots for hanging felt ornaments on the tree. Number 2. Yazi 4 feet felt Christmas tree with light. This DIY felt Christmas tree is perfect for kids. It comes with lights and ornaments, making it a fun and engaging activity for the whole family. It's a great way to celebrate the holidays. The set includes a 4 feet felt tree, 45 ornaments, and a 16.4-foot light string. You can easily hang it on a wall or door. This allows you to decorate your home with Christmas spirit. This Christmas tree is a wonderful gift for children. It encourages creativity and imagination as they decorate it. It's a fantastic way to enhance the relationship between you and your kids. You can hang it anywhere, from bedrooms to classrooms. It's ideal for Christmas parties and adds a festive touch to any environment. This is a perfect decoration for your home. The tree may have creases from packaging, but they will disappear with time or a light iron. The Velcro on the ornaments can be easily fixed if needed. It is designed for repeated use. What we like. This tree comes with a 16.4-foot light and banners, making it a complete decoration set. If you want a tree that is easy to store and set up, this is a great choice. It comes with a storage bag and banners, making it a complete decoration set. What people say. The lights were an added special. El material es de buena calidad, me encanta QTN luces, y que se puede colgar en todavía no lo ponemos pues cuando llega mi lugar de viaje lo vamos a montar, luego hacer una actualización, buena variación de ornamentos y su tamaño es perfecto. My grandson had a blast decorating his own Christmas tree. It was also a great learning tool as we practiced his shapes, colors, and counting. Number 1. DIY felt Christmas tree for kids. This upgraded kids' Christmas tree set includes a felt tree, 33 ornaments, LED string lights, and a storage bag. It features a unique Santa design, creating a special Christmas atmosphere. The set is perfect for bringing holiday cheer. Made from 2 mm thick, high-quality felt, this tree is safe, durable, and odorless. It has a sturdy hanging strap for easy display. The Velcro is securely attached, and the wiring is strong. The felt Christmas tree comes with LED lights. You can easily mount the lights on the tree and hang it anywhere. It's perfect for adding a festive glow to any room, filling it with Christmas spirit. This kids' felt Christmas tree set includes a delicate Christmas felt bag. It's ideal for Christmas parties, kids' rooms, or as a wall or door decoration. It's also the perfect gift for the holidays. Kids can freely decorate the felt Christmas tree with the detachable ornaments. This DIY game encourages creativity, vocabulary, and hand-eye coordination. It's an interactive activity for the whole family to enjoy. This wall felt Christmas tree is perfect for Christmas parties, homes, kids' rooms, and more. The Christmas decor is reusable, making it a great choice for creating lasting holiday memories. What we like. This tree has a unique Santa Christmas design. If you are looking for a tree with a unique design, you should consider this. It also comes with a storage bag, making it easy to store and reuse. What people say. This is so cute, y'all. No instructions but not hard to figure out. I looked at the picture and put it all together. Just too cute. Now that the children are grown, this was an easy way of not unpacking tree, but it still felt like Christmas. It was easy to put up, and it comes in a pouch for easy storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.